Hey guys, it's Raurii. Welcome on the live. So, today work as always. My name is Raurii Gatien. I'm a taxi driver in Polynesia. So, now, guys, it's simple. Today, the flight, just one flight tonight. One plane is the United plane, and it just arrived here in Polynesia. I heard it. It's okay now. I'm not far from the airport of Fa'a. I'm going to check it out if I can get some customer from USA, and yeah, that's cool. Hope you're fine, everybody. Hope everything is good for you. So let's go. There's a car here. You gotta wait. I gotta wait. Just move, bitch. Let's go. All right. Let's do this, guys. I can't work. I can't work many hours today because tomorrow I got something to do that I gotta be ready. So I just gotta work until maybe 1 a.m. at the morning, and after that I go home. I gotta be really, really ready for tomorrow. So for now, I'm just going to go to the airport and see if I can get some customer, as I say. Yeah. If I dance, I'll dance. And if you don't dance anyway. Hope you'll find everybody in your country. Hope you're found in your home. For me, here in Polynesia is like 6 p.m. and maybe 20 minutes or 30 minutes. Let me check. It's 6 p.m. and 37 minutes here in Polynesia. It's good, I'm okay. I'm ready to work out. I'm ready to work. But it's so sad that I can't work. I can't work too many hours today. But you know, I got something to do. It's my duty, and when it's my duty, I gotta do something good, man. All right, let's bring it on. Yippee, yippee, yo. Yippee, yippee, yeah. Yippee, yippee, yo. Yippee, yippee, yeah. Yippee, 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 yo. Yippee, 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 yeah. Yippee, yo. Yippee, yeah. Yo, yippee, yeah. Be careful, fucker. Where the fuck are you in the road? Shit, man. Guys, watch this. I'm in a hotel here, a quartier. It's not a street, guys. Quartier is is where people live in here in Polynesia, in the valley, in the mountain, to the ocean. Yeah, that's pretty cool. And now, let's go to the airport of Polynesia. Oh, what the heck? There's a big hole here. It's not cool. Let's go. The airport is to the left. Where the hell? There's so many cars, man. Fuck that. Man, I just want to work. Hurry up. What the hell? Fuck that car! Come on! Shit, man! When there's no car to the left, there's car to the right. Shit! Hey, the bro, he let me pass. That's a true bro. That's a true taxi, bro. He got some customer from USA, so let's go to the airport, guys. That's a true bro. That's a taxi, bro. Can you drive faster, man? We can drop to 40 kilometers. What the fuck are you driving to 20? Go to 40 kilometers. I'm working, man. Everybody's counting on me. My family, my friend, my wife, my children. Damn it. That's why I always drive on the highway. Fuck, too slow, bro. Let's go. Let's go to the United Airplane. To the United. Let's go, let's go. I'm here to the United Airplane. That's cool. Now I'm just gonna wait my turn. I use my card. The gate is open and I can go. And after that I just have to wait till it's my turn. Okay. And there's another taxi in front of me. Now just wait. Alright guys. That's all. That's how the taxi work here in Polynesia. I gotta wait now. Until somebody can come. Thank you for watching a live, guys. Turn off the car. The fuel is too expensive here. Wait. It's too slow, bro. It's too slow. Taximeter. The taximeter. Come on. The hell is happening? Taximeter. And this is the taximeter of Polynesia. That's cool. Okay, bye. I gotta go. Thank you for watching the live. I'm gonna take some picture to say to everybody I was here in the airport. I was there. I'm not cheating. It was me here. So yeah. See you later, guys. It was Raurii. We're live here in the airport. Hey, there's so many people here, guys. Do you want me to stay? Please leave a like to the live, subscribe, so I can keep this train. Please like the live, come on the live, share, and subscribe, of course, to Raurii Gatien on YouTube. Thank you so much, guys. Bro, it's so long. It's like I'm here since an eternity. You know what? I'm staying live, but I just gotta take a picture. I gotta take a picture, guys, to say I was there. I see a taxi driver who are leaving. Okay, let's go. Oh, what the hell? Everybody, look at. So many people got customers. That's so cool. Cool for them. All right. So tired of all this. Too well, man. They took so many places here. Fucking boring. Let's do this, guys. Gotta take some picture to show to my boss. You don't. Let's take here. Alright, guys, that's my taxi. Everybody here. Hey, thank you for being on the live, guys. And this is the airport of Polynesia. We are waiting for our customer. And other taxi are coming. You can see here. That's so cool, man. It's like maybe 20 taxis in front of me, or I don't know, 20, 21. Can't tell, man. But yeah, many taxis. That's so cool. And here it's me. Just going for a walk, you know. Cool, I'm so tired to wait. It's so boring to wait, bro. Like, you know, it's fucking hot, bro. This is so hot, bro. And we wait, and we wait, and we wait, and we walk, and we walk, and we walk. We wait, and we wait, and we walk, and we walk, and we wait, and we wait, and we walk, and we walk, and we walk. You guys, if you're coming to Polynesia, you arrive by here. Bienvenue say mean welcome, you know. See, Maiva, welcome, bienvenue. There's no much tourists left here. Okay, someone is going. I gotta go back to my car. Let's wait. Let's wait and see. See and wait. This is so boring. This is so boring. Bro, what the fuck? Where can I go, man, to go to my car? There's so many two-wheel, fucking boring, bro. Like what the hell? It's even happening. Taxis are so boring. They don't go out of the car. Let's go. Bro, it's so hot here. With the rain, when it's raining, bros, it's fucking hot here in Polynesia. That's why all the taxis stay in their car. Woo. Yeah, man. Woo. Gotta take some cold. Alright, guys. I think I'm just gonna leave the Weimar. Just gonna leave the airport. There's too many taxis in front of me, man. Like, what the hell, bro? There's a lot of old people who don't drive at night, but now they drive, man. It's like they want the money so bad that they work all day and even the night. You know? Because a lot of taxi I see here is not the taxi that work at night. I know the guys working at night. I see a lot of old men that I never saw before. Because those old lady and old men are working at night. But they want the money, so they're working at day, sorry. But they want the money so bad, so they're working at night too. That's the game. So hot, man. So guys, I'm gonna leaving the live. Put some music for me. Tell me, guys, do I cut the live or do I stay here? Tell me what you want to see, guys. Tell me what you want to see. 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 If you don't come on the live in 10 seconds, I cut, guys. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, fight! Okay, guys, see ya next time. Thank you for watching the live and let's go work for me. Bye.